Namaste Mitya. Amisa Khosraw Mitya. Myself Dr. Mona Pathak, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University in Jaipur. So today discuss about gallbladder carcinoma. Introduction. Primary carcinoma of the gallbladder is more prevalent than other cancer of the extrahepatic biliary tract. Like cholelithiasis and cholecystitis, it is more frequent in women than in men. Ratio 4:1 with a peak incidence in 7th decade of life. It may remain undetected until the time it is widely spread and rendered inoperable. In these pictures you can see the position of the liver and gallbladder and its parts. This is the hepatic duct, this is hepatic duct junction, common bile duct, ampulla of Vater, pancreas. Next, what are the etiology of gallbladder CA? Exact cause is not known, but there are some risk factors, in which first is cholelithiasis and cholecystitis. The repeated attack of cholecystitis due to gallbladder causes chronic irritation of gallbladder wall, resulting into carcinoma. Second point is carcinogens. Various pesticide rubber products act as bile acid. Therefore, when these chemicals chronically introduced into the body, stimulated the gallbladder persistently. Third point is genetic factor. Higher incidence of gallbladder cancer occurs in relatives of GB cancer. Other causes are surgery on bile tract and IMD. What are the clinical features in gallbladder cancer? Carcinoma of the gallbladder, which is slow growing, and symptoms late in course of the disease. Quite often the diagnosis is made when gallbladder is removed for cholelithiasis. The symptomatic case have pain, jaundice, noticeable mass, anorexia and weight loss. In such cases, the growth has usually invaded the liver and other adjacent organs and has metastasized to the regional lymph nodes and more distant sites such as the lung, peritoneum and gastrointestinal tract. What are the morphological features when carcinoma develop in gallbladder? Grossly when seen, there are two types. First is infiltrative type, second is fungating type. Infiltrative type first is characterized by irregular areas of diffuse thickening and induration of gallbladder. Fungating type characterized by cauliflower-like growth into the lumen. Microscopically, when see, there are adenocarcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma and adenosquamous cell carcinoma. So these are the all about gallbladder cancer. Thank you.